bringing food for Sister Encarnacion birthday. Ayan. Happy birthday, Sister Encarnacion, 71st birthday. So, I made spaghetti. So, yummy, yummy spaghetti with fried chicken. O, diba? Yummy spaghetti and cake. Ayan, may pa-cake si Sister. At saka spaghetti, at saka fried chicken. O, diba? Ayan, dadalhin namin siya. We will bring it to the Pink Sister. Ayan, kaya samahan nyo kami. Ayan ang aking spaghetti. Yummy spaghetti and fried chicken. At special request, spaghetti and fried chicken. At may cake pa. Oh, so pagpasensyahan na yung regalo ko. Happy birthday, sister. This is all for you. Ayan, so yummy. I hope you enjoy your birthday cake. Ayan, ang ating birthday, 71st birthday cake. O, diba? So, simple, but it's beautiful and it came from my heart. At thank you, Sam, sa pagsama mo sa akin. Ayan, at least may kasama ako. O, diba? So, tumayo ka muna dyan with Mama Mary. So, ayan, si Sam at si Mama Mary. Ayan, no? Last year, si Ate Ems ang kasama ko. And after that, we went to the chapel. Here, the chapel of the Pink Sister. Thank you so much.